Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to identify repetitive tasks that can be automated to improve efficiency and free up time for strategic activities. We have a sample overview of the benefits of automation, including cost reduction, increased productivity, and improved quality of work. We'll look at how to analyze workflow and what criteria to use to select tasks amenable to automation, as well as practical examples from different departments. If you are looking for ways to implement automation in your company, this video is for you. To automate effectively, it is essential to identify tasks that are repetitive and rule-based. We look at 3 key criteria. Task frequency. Daily or weekly tasks are good candidates for automation. An example is the generation of financial reports in Excel, which can be automated with RPA tools. Rule-based. Activities that follow clear instructions, such as copying and pasting data between systems, are ideal for automation, as they do not require human judgment. High volume. Tasks with a large number of transactions, such as automatically responding to frequent emails, can be automated to reduce the time spent on these interactions. These criteria help identify the tasks that benefit most from automation, improving workflow efficiency. Automation is applied in different departments. The image below shows a small sample with concrete examples. Sales, lead classification, and automatic follow-up using tools such as HubSpot and Salesforce. This saves time and improves conversion. Human resources, resume filtering and interview scheduling using AI. Platforms such as Workday allow for reduced initial screening time. Finance, automating bank reconciliation with RPA, using tools such as UiPath and Blue Prism, which reduces errors and saves time. Operations, automated inventory management with systems such as SAP and Oracle NetSuite, which adjust stock levels in real time, improving accuracy and reducing the risk of product stockouts. These examples show how automation can optimize processes across the enterprise, improving productivity and accuracy. There are numerous tools that facilitate the automation of repetitive tasks. In this image, we see some of the most widely used ones: robotic process automation, RPA UiPath, Blue Prism, and Automation Anywhere are leaders in robotic process automation, capable of handling tasks from data entry to report generation. Marketing automation platforms. Tools such as HubSpot and MailChimp allow you to automate emails, manage campaigns, and automatically follow up with prospects. Virtual assistants and chatbots. Solutions such as Drift and Zendesk automate customer service, answering frequently asked questions and referring complex cases to human representatives. These tools allow companies to reduce time spent on manual tasks and focus on strategic and higher value activities. The automation of repetitive tasks offers multiple benefits. Here are the main ones. Cost reduction. By eliminating manual tasks, operating costs are reduced. Increased productivity. Employees can concentrate on strategic activities instead of routine tasks. Improved accuracy. Automation reduces the margin of human error, improving work quality. Employee satisfaction. Freeing employees from repetitive tasks increases their satisfaction and motivation, allowing them to focus on creative, high-impact activities. These benefits make automation a fundamental strategy for any company seeking to optimize its operations. Identifying and automating repetitive tasks is essential to improve efficiency and free up resources for higher-value activities. Implementing the right automation solutions not only reduces costs and minimizes errors, but also improves employee satisfaction and increases overall business productivity. If you want to implement automation in your organization to optimize processes and improve efficiency, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we can develop a strategy that maximizes the use of automated tools and transforms your business. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.